We have got down at the Howrah ferry terminal. That was our ferry. It is now waiting for passengers to come. It's a beautiful ride. They do not allow people on the top deck for security reasons. I hope they start that very soon. It'll give even a better view for my GoPro videos. There is that football building in the background next to the SBI headquarters, which was the start point. That's the Babu Ghat ferry. You can also see the bridge far away in the distance. And another interesting thing is that you will see this terminal at 3 levels. There's one down level where the boat is right now. Then there is a second level, which is this level. That's the third level. This is the second level. And then there is the third level where I'm presently standing at. Okay. So there are these pillars here also for marooning. And that's because the river water can reach this level. That's for sure. And Howrah Ferry Terminal is one of the most beautiful terminals. As you can see, first you will have this beautiful view of the bridge. There is another good view that is going to come up, and then you get the wide expanse of the river in front of you. That's a ghat in front. I keep forgetting the name. That's the Malik Ghat flower market, and next to it, that red ghat is a newly discovered one by me. It's a speedboat going. Is that a speedboat or a hovercraft? Okay, it's a speedboat. Must be some government organization, and there is this ferry which is leaving. So if you're in Kolkata, I would strongly recommend you to go the ferry ride. It's really beautiful, enjoyable, and it's one of the cleanest means of public transport. And once they shift on to the electric versions, it will become even better. Okay, so we have a lot of area to cover and lot of distance to cover. So that's the exit, and we purchased a ticket over there. That ticket was in the form of a slip. I'll just try to show it to you. There you go. Wait a second, I have to dig it out. Yeah, I've got hold of it. So it's something like this. There's a barcode and all that system. 6 rupees it is written. These are the local boats and the boat people, the expert navigators, and they're also doing it manually. Now once you cross this place, you will be coming across these people who will be standing over there to receive your ferry ticket. So you have to give it to them, and they will tear it away. So that's the procedure for it. There you go. That's one view of the terminal. So before we call it a day, I just like to show you, this is the Howrah Bridge view from the ferry terminal, and now we are going to give you a second view. So that second view is the additional part of it.